Time is the one thing that we are running out. It is the one thing that most people, I don't want to say take for granted, but give up fairly easy with the mindset of like, well, I got time. Tomorrow. I get to it tomorrow. Well, I'm still young. The problem is that every single day that passes by, it is one day less that you have. And when it comes to preparedness, one day can be the difference of being prepared and being in a world of trouble. As a country, I'm going to be honest with y'all. As a country, I don't think we are in good shape. As a country, I really believe in my bones that we have little time left. I just don't see it. I don't see how we can bounce back from everything that we are dealing with. I just don't see it. Maybe you see something different. Maybe you're seeing rent going down. Maybe you're seeing food prices going down. Maybe you're seeing things that I am not seeing. If you do, put it down in the comment section below. I would love to hear encouragement from those of you who are seeing something different than what I'm actually witnessing. But at the end of the day, I had to prepare based on my views and based on my evaluation of what is going on, because I don't see anything good coming my way. I will say this, and of course, I can hear the argument, because you often do this. You try to see both perspectives, especially if you're in a public platform like this one. Well, Billy, preppers have been saying that something's coming for years and nothing ever happens. I will challenge that. We have been saying that something's coming every year, all the time, and something has been coming. The issue is that it has been so slow. You have not had a massive event. They have been so slow that you just don't see it. That's the issue. And because most of the time is sensationalized as a big event, well, you ignore the little events, such as food prices going up, rents going up, insurance is going up, you getting paid the same, inflation eating your savings, property taxes going higher and higher every year, data centers popping out everywhere, electric prices higher than ever. You want me to keep on going? You see what I'm saying? They are killing you by 1,000 cuts. You're not seeing the huge event, but they are doing it little by little. They are eroding every single thing that made America great once upon a time. America is not great anymore. I'm just going to come out and say, America, I want it to be great. I strongly believe that we could have been great, but we are not great anymore. We are a gray pile of, well, you know what we used to be and what we are. I don't know what to tell you. And when people say that, no, we have time, we can fix things around, we can turn the ship around, it's the same. Or we can vote, we got to make sure that we vote the right person. There's no more voting anymore, y'all. I don't have faith in the system anymore. I just don't have faith in the system. I don't have faith in the above system. I don't have faith in the state system. I don't have faith in the local system. I just don't have faith anymore. I think they are all there to make your life more miserable. They're not there looking after you at all. If you see something different, if you believe me to be wrong, please put it down in the comment section below. I want to be wrong. This is one of those particular cases that I want to be wrong. 100%. So, because time is running out, I will give you one piece of advice. And this is not something that I have not said in the past. I actually have mentioned this over and over and over. When you vote your way into communism, you're going to have to essentially, well, you know what, shoot your way out. There's no other way around it. And unfortunately, the United States is voting their way into socialism, aka communism. Socialism and communism is the same thing. And for people who say, and because I have heard that before, socialism is not bad. It's not bad on paper. The reality is very, very different. Very different. And of course, because you don't know any better, you will say it's good. Because you have never lived through it. That's why you're saying it. It's okay. You know, God bless you hard for being ignorant about that. That's all I'm going to say to you. God bless you. But we have very little time. And again, based on that we're going to be voting our way into it, and we're going to have to shoot our way out. Listen, start preparing for that worst case scenario. Because I just don't see it any other way. It will happen. You don't want to believe me? By all means. You don't want to prepare? By all means. Worst case scenario, if you listen to my advice, you have a whole bunch of ammunition put away for years to come. Meaning that you lock the price today. If tomorrow the prices goes up, you already have it. That's it, plain and simple. That's the worst thing that can happen. And you can go to the range and have fun with your loved ones or by yourself. But try to put away as much ammunition as possible. And I will give you the recommendation of getting 22s. I know I have got some comments of in the area of, well, that could have been feasible in Cuba, Billy, but here's a different story. In the United States, we need something more. No, what you need is to put food on the table. And if they work in a third world country, it sure as hell is going to work here. Because definitely, them people over there were a lot hungry than what you are here. So get down from the high horse, get down from the fantasy world, and listen to the people who actually went through this crap already, because it is coming our way, whether we like it or not. And the idea of it will never happen here, it is happening already here. You're just too blind to see it. It is happening here. Every single day, you're paying more. Every single day, you're what we call now privileges, because they're not even rights anymore. They're privileges are taken away by you elected officials. So, again, put away as much 22 as possible. If you don't have a Ruger 1022, do yourself a favor. Get yourself one sooner rather than later. You will need it. I'm telling you that right now. You will need it. And that is a tool that anybody can use. Anybody, regardless of age. Put as much 22 ammo as you can. That right there, I mean, it doesn't matter if you have 1,000,000 rounds. It doesn't matter. You will not regret it. I'm telling you that right now. You will not regret it. And put parts away. For the 1022, parts are everywhere. You can buy them anywhere. In fact, I should have made an order to buy extra parts for my 1022s. And I encourage you all to do the same. Anyway, guys, I see time running out. Don't get caught with your pants down. There's no need for it. You have been warned. Now, you can either prepare today and weather out the situation tomorrow and be ready for whatever's coming, or don't and deal with the consequences. Just remember, if you choose not to prepare, do not knock on my door. Just don't. That being said, I hope you have a great one, and I hope to see you in the next one.